The benefits of incorporations over sole proprietorships. Many small businesses begin with an individual starting out with their own personal funds. Depending on what type of business it is, a sole proprietorship can be the wrong way to go. This article describes a few ways that incorporating a business can be more beneficial. There are a couple of different ways to go about creating incorporations. There is an LLC, which stands for Limited Liability Corporation, and an incorporation or incorporated. An LLC is less expensive for a small business with fewer assets, and an incorporated can be more expensive depending on the laws of the state where documents of incorporation are filed. The main purpose of setting up a limited liability corporation or an incorporation is to protect the principal owners from the lawsuit or other litigious action from a customer or other parties. If some type of accident, illness, or other incident were to happen to a sole proprietor, their own personal assets could be taken away if a lawsuit awarded damages. By separating assets from an individual and their business, only the business's assets can be considered. There can also be some other tax and legal benefits from having a company rather than a personal business. For example, if a legally protected business got audited, only the assets of the business would be considered if a discrepancy were found. On the other hand, a sole proprietor may need to pay any discrepancy out of their own assets. Incorporations are better when more people are involved in the day-to-day operations of the business. Generally, the articles of incorporation will name the principals in control of the company, such as a president and vice president. Other employees may also be given titles and roles as to who would be in control should something happen to the CEO, president or vice president. Incorporating provides a lot of the same considerations as an LLC, but if a company has an abundance of assets, income, and employees in control, it can be a better way to go. It can also provide more tax breaks and is used more often with publicly rather than privately traded companies. It's mostly dependent on the type and size of the business. A small business owner should consider an LLC if they are the principal employee and owns a business where their own personal assets could be considered under a sole proprietorship should a legal problem occur. Incorporations can be more beneficial to larger businesses where more people in controlling positions are involved. Either way, incorporation makes a business look much more professional and benefits customers and businesses. For more information and any needed help, check the Business Registrations website.